Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm doing this video on bars leaks liquid copper block seal coolant leak fix. It's a one-step stop leak. Apparently you pour into your radio. I'm not quite sure. Antifreeze compatible liquid glass permanently seals larger coolant leak. Anyway, it's going for like 13 bucks. If you guys had used this, definitely like drop a comment in the comment section. Like let us know whether this is this works or not, and how permanent is permanent. But for 13 bucks, how can you go wrong with it? I mean, your other option is what, a $1,500 engine replacement. A lot of people actually just replace the engine, to be honest with you. They don't actually do, a lot of people actually don't choose to actually pay to get the gasket done, because depending on where the gasket is, it gets expensive. But if you guys have used this and it's worked for your vehicle, definitely like drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know. All right, please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.